Hey guys! In today's video, I wanted to share with you 5 tips for hosting your first webinar. Webinars are a fantastic way of increasing sales in your business, especially if you have a service-based business or you're somebody who sells digital products or courses. If you're new here, my name is Louise of SolopreneurSidekick.com, and I put out new videos every Tuesday and Thursday to help you grow your online business. So if you're looking to do that, make sure that you hit subscribe. All right, so tip number 1 is to do everything that you can to ensure that your internet is as fast as it can be. So that includes wiring into your modem rather than relying on your Wi-Fi, closing out all other browsers and programs that you're using, and doing an internet speed test before you go live. This is going to ensure that it holds the whole time and you don't have any tech disasters. Tip number 2 is to ensure that your webinar is as of good a quality as possible. And I'm talking about your audio, your camera quality, and your lighting. If you can only invest in one thing, then I would recommend investing in a microphone because your sound is definitely the most important. I have an audio technician mic and I absolutely love it. I will leave a link to the one that I use in the description below. Next thing I would invest in is a proper webcam if you can. I'm currently filming on my Logitech C920 webcam actually. I like to use it for filming videos sometimes and for all of my webinars, and it's got pretty good quality, I think. And the last thing is lighting. So this one you don't actually need to invest in anything. You just need to make sure that you do your webinar during the day, that you find a big window in your house, and you make sure that you face that direction. So that's actually what I'm doing right now. I'm not using any professional lighting. I've just found a window and I'm facing it, and it's going to give you pretty good and even light. Tip 3 is make it fun and engaging for people. So at the beginning of your presentation, start with an intro question, something like, where are you in the world? That one's really cool because you'll see that people are tuning in from all over. And then you want to ask a few questions throughout your presentation. You can just keep it simple and do questions that require a yes or no answer, but that keeps people engaged and having fun with your presentation. And then because you are live, make sure that you give people an opportunity to ask questions at the end. So I recommend doing a live Q&A. Tip 4 is to send multiple email reminders. I feel like when people first get started with marketing, they're like, oh, I sent one email and like nobody showed up. Okay, yeah, you have to give them a bit more than one email. So I recommend emailing them the day of, in the morning, an hour before, and 15 minutes before to make sure that people actually show up. And lastly, you want to choose a tool that makes your tech life as easy as possible. You may have heard me talk about it in previous videos, but I absolutely love Crowdcast, especially for all my non-techies out there. This tool is going to make your life so much easier and really take away any of the tech stress of running a webinar. I have a video explaining all of the reasons why I love it, which I will leave a link to right up here. And I also just released a new product which walks you through step by step every single little thing that you need to do in order to host a webinar to really make it as easy as possible for you. So make sure that you click this link over here and check that out. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you learned something new today, and I'll see you guys soon with another video.